Good afternoon. This is Becky.
Be so creative. And I wanted to share an embroidery tip with you. Maybe your design has 18 colors and a couple of them are repeated. How do you line them up to keep track of every color in the proper order?
Get
Golf tees, put the numbers on them like 1, 2, 3, all the way to maybe 20.
Put the golf tee in the end of the embroidery thread, and then I line them up in numerical order. And this is according to stitching. So this would be my number 1 stitch, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm using number 2 again. So after I have stitched number 2, I would take the thread and I would put it here so I know that's number 2. And then I'm going along again and I'm all the way to number 11. My next color is number 8. So I will have done the same thing. It's an easy way to keep track of them, and all you need is golf tees.